Mapping India. James Rennell, the father of geography in India, was asked by Lord Clive to produce maps of Hindustan. James Rennell was an expert in marine survey and hydrography, but now he was to conduct land survey and produce maps. Fortunately for him, Abul Fal's Ain-e-Akbari had just been translated. Prepared in the reign of Akbar, it contained a thorough description of the empire and its administrative and revenue, but their boundaries were not precisely demarcated, nor were other prominent geographical features like rivers and mountains graphically represented in a map of chart. Rennell collected together the geographical data acquired by the British Army columns on their campaigns and began to map all of India in 1765, subdividing the country according to the Mughal provinces, Subas. And 6 years after his retirement from the company's service, constructed the first approximately correct map of the subcontinent in 1783. He called it the Map of Hindustan or the Mughal Empire.